Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the dimension of a video in Capcut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Capcut app, create a new project or edit your existing project. Now to change the dimension of a video, simply you can scroll to the right and see the aspect ratio option. Click on it. Now choose the dimension that you want to use. For example, I'll click on 16:9. Now the video has switched into 16:9 dimension. You can choose different kind of dimension from here. And once you're happy with the selection, simply click here to save the changes. And just like that, we can change the dimension of a video in Capcut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.